Well, here we're looking at the Dow, and we are seeing a very bearish type of situation take place here. We see a break under the 50-day moving average and the 50% retracement level here, and breaks through this Fibonacci fan line and closes under it. We do see this still higher than the prior low, so technically the trend is still up, and we know that this is kind of still, a legitimate trend line here. But this is, as you could see, very vulnerable to the continuation and a breakdown here, and this could be a very, very big problem for the overall market. We've been talking about for quite some time that this market's been overvalued, and now we're starting to see this kind of come into play as the market's had this very, very nice run. But look at what's going on here. We're just really seeing the momentum shift here as prices are trying to kind of go through this sideways action. If they break down here, this could really be a problem, especially if it takes out some of these major highs here, as support, because that would be your support. You see the prior pivot range there around 17,000. So if it does take out 17,000, that could be a big problem because we would head back down to 15,000 very likely, and continue to really see a big move to the downside. And that is could be very likely. We've had a very, very big run. 18,000 was our target in the first place. We've hit that. We're talking about this big potential cycle change that could really be bearish in this overall market. So again, not too surprised that we're seeing this happen right here. So it's just one of those questions: are we going to see the continuation of this just yet? Or are they going to kind of try to hold this up just a little bit longer? I think that we're very susceptible to the continuation of this, at least coming back into this 17,000. You could see the moving average come in here, the Fibonacci line, the prior pivot low. So this is really kind of the make or break line, I think, that it needs to kind of hold. Otherwise, because we could get a little bit of a bounce there. If we don't, I think that could be very bearish.